In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your tasks in Airtable. First, go ahead and open Airtable and navigate to the base you've already created for your tasks. This might be a base you set up earlier for project management, a personal to-do list, or a team workflow. Make sure you're in the right base before you start editing, because the changes you make here will define how you track and manage your work going forward. Once your base is open, look for the main table where your tasks live. At the top of that table, you'll see the column headers. One of the key columns you'll probably have is the task name. If you want to change how this appears, click on the header that's currently labeled Name. This is where you can rename the field to something that makes more sense for you or your team, like Task, Action Item, or To Do. Giving this field a clear, descriptive name helps everyone immediately understand what kind of information belongs there. If you're working with others, choose language they're already familiar with to keep things intuitive. Next, locate the column called Notes. Click on that header to review or adjust the way you're using this field. Notes are a great place to add any extra context that doesn't fit neatly into other columns. Details about what needs to be done, links to resources, or quick reminders to yourself. As you click into this field for each task, think of it as your running commentary or mini brief. Keeping your notes concise but specific will save you time later when you're trying to remember what a task actually involves. Now, move over to the Assignee column and click on it. This field is used to indicate who is responsible for each task. In a shared base, this is essential for accountability. You can assign tasks to yourself or to teammates, and it becomes instantly clear who owns what. Even if you're working solo, it can still be helpful to keep this field, especially if you plan to share the base in the future or separate tasks by different roles you play, like designer, writer, or manager. After that, click on the Status column. This is where you track the progress of each task using labels like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Consistent status labels help you get a quick overview of where everything stands. As you update this field while you work, your table turns into a live snapshot of your workflow. Finally, click on the Attachments column. This is where you can connect any relevant files directly to your tasks, such as documents, images, or PDFs. Storing attachments with the tasks they belong to keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to hunt through folders or emails later. By working through these fields one by one, name, notes, assignee, status, and attachments, you'll turn a simple Airtable base into a clear, organized system for managing your tasks.